Nicotine. Nicotine is found in cigarettes and vapes, and it's extremely addictive. It releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, which is why people keep coming back to it. Effects. Temporary relaxation, increased focus, reduced appetite, but the downsides are serious. Highly addictive, raises blood pressure, damages lungs when smoked. Important point. Nicotine addiction can form very quickly, sometimes in just a few uses. Alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant, meaning it slows down your brain. At first, it may feel relaxing, even fun. Effects. Lowered inhibition, slower reaction time, impaired judgment, but higher doses lead to poor coordination, memory loss, risky behavior. Important point. Long-term alcohol use can damage the liver, brain, and heart, and addiction can develop gradually without people noticing. Caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant, meaning it speeds up your brain activity. It blocks a chemical called adenosine, which normally makes you feel tired. Effects. Increased alertness, better focus. Short-term, reduced fatigue, but too much. Anxiety, insomnia, increased heart rate. Important point. Caffeine is safe in moderation, but dependence is real, and quitting suddenly can cause headaches and irritability. Marijuana affects the brain through a chemical called THC. It changes how you think, feel, and perceive time. Effects. Relaxation, altered senses, increased appetite, but it can also cause anxiety or paranoia, memory problems, reduced motivation. Important point. Frequent use, especially at a young age, can impact brain development. Heroin is one of the most dangerous drugs in the world. Fluid. It's an opioid, meaning it blocks pain and creates intense pleasure. Effects. Extreme euphoria, pain relief, deep relaxation, but also slowed breathing, high overdose risk, severe addiction. Important point. Just one overdose can be fatal because it can stop breathing completely. Cocaine. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant. It floods the brain with dopamine, creating intense but short-lived euphoria. Effects. Extreme energy, confidence boost, reduced need for sleep, but the crash is harsh. Depression, fatigue, strong cravings. Important point. Cocaine increases the risk of heart attacks, even in young, healthy people. MDMA, also known as ecstasy. MDMA is both a stimulant and a hallucinogen. It increases serotonin, the chemical linked to happiness. Effects. Emotional closeness, increased energy, heightened senses, but afterward. Emotional crash, dehydration, brain chemical imbalance. Important point. Repeated use can damage the brain's ability to feel natural happiness. LSD. LSD is a powerful hallucinogen. It doesn't just affect your mood, it changes your entire perception of reality. Effects. Visual hallucinations, altered sense of time, deep thoughts, or confusion, but risks include panic attacks at bad trips, long-lasting psychological effects. Important point. LSD doesn't typically cause physical addiction, but its mental effects can be unpredictable and intense.